Hey there foodies, welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are diving into a winter delight, a soul-warming hot and sour soup. Let's dive right into the recipe. To kick things off, we are crafting a versatile chicken stock. Blanch those chicken bones. Discard the water. In another pot, pour water. Combine blanched chicken bones, 1 small onion, garlic cloves, carrot, celery stems, cilantro or parsley stems, bay leaf, and peppercorns. Bring it to a boil, skim off the scum for clarity. Add celery leaves and simmer for an hour. You can refrigerate this stock for 3 to 4 days and freeze it to 2 to 3 months. Strain and voila, your stock is ready. It serves as not only the base for today's hot and sour soup, but also as an easy addition to wide range for other soups and recipes. Before we dive into the soup recipe, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more mouth-watering recipes coming on your way. Now let's return to the soup saga and uncover its delicious secrets. Pour the chicken stock into a pot, add bite-sized chicken cubes, salt, black pepper, and chicken powder. Bring it to a boil. Cover and simmer for 15 minutes. As our chicken dances in a flavorful broth, introduce finely chopped carrots, cabbage, corns, sugar, white vinegar, your favorite hot sauce, soy sauce, and ketchup. Mix it all in. At the boiling point, stir in a corn flour slurry, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, mixed in 1/4 cup of water. Add gradually while stirring to ensure a lump-free experience. Adjust thickness to your liking. Now for the perfect finish, pour 1 or 2 beaten eggs over the soup, stir slightly for a cloudy texture. Turn off the heat, drizzle some sesame oil to elevate the flavors. And there you have it, a bowl full of mouth-watering hot and sour soup. If this recipe has your taste buds tingling, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow foodies, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Now it's tasting time. Delicious! Until our next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.